Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste. I welcome you to Stay and Cook with Sarah. Today's recipe will be Urad Dal, also known as a split in dehusked black gram. So today's dish will be very healthy, full of protein and fiber. So let's go to the ingredients. I have used here 2 cup of Urad Dal and soaked it for 30 minutes in the water. And here I used 2 medium onion, chopped it. And here I used 2 medium tomato, chopped it. Here I used 2 spoon of extra virgin olive oil. Here I have used 1 inch of ginger, 5 piece of garlic, chopped it. And here I used 3 green chilies, chopped it. Here I used 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 5 piece of bay leaves, and here I use 1 spoon of red chili flakes, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon turmeric, 1 spoon coriander powder, 1 spoon garam masala, and 1 spoon salt. Here I used cilantro, and here I have extra cilantro and some green chilies on the side to garnish it. Here I have 2 cups of water to add, and let's start the cooking part. I cook this urad dal in cooker pressure, which will be faster and easier. So let's start the cooking. I'll add the oil. I have the heat in medium high. I'll add the cumin seed, the bay leaves, once it's cooked for 1 minute, a couple seconds, not even one. Now I will add the onions. I think the heat is a little high, I'll put it in low. So leave the onions to get cooked until it's goldenish. It's goldenish now. And I will add the garlic, ginger paste, and stir it well. Leave it for another minute to get cooked. It's been 1 minute. I will be adding the tomato. This is how it looks like, goldenish right here. I'll add the tomato. Green chili. Mix it well. I will add all the seasonings. Mix it well. Let this to get cooked for another 2 minutes until the tomato is mushed. Now the tomato is ready. The oil is out. As you see, this is how it should look like. Right here, I will add the lentils. Mix it well. Now I'll add the cilantro. I'll add the water. I think I'll need just another 1 glass more. This is how it should look like. Now we will cook it under pressure for exactly 5 minutes in medium flame. Don't open the cooker pressure after 5 minutes. Let the rest to be cooked in steam. So once the steam is gone, then we will open the cooker pressure. So everyone, the steam is out. Now it's time to open it. And I will open. Let's check it out how it looks like. Yes, it's perfect. It's ready. It's perfect. This is how it should look like. This is soft. The water is perfect. Everything is perfect. Dal is ready with that really fresh naan, the butter on top, and you can enjoy yours with the choice of your bread, naan, chapati, paratha, even with rice, whatever you like. So I will enjoy mine. I'm very hungry and I'm sure it will be tasty. I even enjoy with the fresh chili on the side. It's very delicious. Please try this recipe. It's really delicious. You will not regret. And if you like it, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like. I'll see you guys to my next video. Till then, take care.